Arborist Podcast, Domain 2, Episode 5, Soil Organisms and the Soil Food Web, the Living System Beneath Trees. Welcome back to the Arborist Podcast. This podcast is designed to help you study for the ISA Arborist Certification Exam by breaking complex arboriculture topics into clear, practical explanations. As always, this podcast is not affiliated with or endorsed by the International Society of Arboriculture. It's an independent educational resource created to support arborists preparing for the certification exam. In the last episode, we talked about soil compaction and why it is such a major cause of tree stress. Today, we're going to look at a part of soil that's often invisible but incredibly important. Soil is alive. Today's episode is about soil organisms and the soil food web, and how living organisms in the soil support tree health. Soil is a living system. Healthy soil is not just mineral particles, water, and air. It also contains a wide range of living organisms. These organisms interact with each other and with tree roots, forming what is known as the soil food web. The ISA exam expects arborists to understand that soil biology plays a major role in nutrient cycling, structure, and overall soil function. What is the soil food web? The soil food web is a network of organisms that live in the soil and interact through feeding relationships. Energy enters the soil food web primarily through organic matter, such as fallen leaves, dead roots, and other plant material. As this material decomposes, nutrients are released and made available to plants. The soil food web connects decomposition, nutrient cycling, and plant health. Major groups of soil organisms. Soil organisms range from microscopic to visible. Bacteria and fungi are responsible for most decomposition and nutrient transformations. Protozoa and nematodes feed on bacteria and fungi, releasing nutrients in plant-available forms. Larger organisms such as insects, arthropods, and earthworms help mix soil and improve structure. Each group plays a specific role in maintaining healthy soil function. Fungi and their role in soil. Fungi are especially important in tree-dominated systems. They break down complex organic materials that bacteria cannot easily decompose. Many fungi form beneficial relationships with tree roots, known as mycorrhizae. These relationships increase water and nutrient uptake and improve stress tolerance. Understanding fungal relationships is important for arborists working with mature trees. Bacteria and nutrient cycling. Bacteria are highly efficient decomposers of simple organic compounds. They play a key role in converting nutrients into forms that plants can absorb. Bacterial populations respond quickly to changes in soil conditions, moisture, and organic matter. Healthy bacterial activity supports consistent nutrient availability for roots. Soil organisms and soil structure. Soil organisms help create and maintain soil structure. As organisms move through soil and feed on organic matter, they create aggregates and pore space. These aggregates improve aeration, water infiltration, and root penetration. Biological activity helps counteract compaction and improve soil resilience over time. Impact of urban conditions on soil biology. Urban soils often have reduced biological activity. Compaction, low organic matter, pollution, and frequent disturbance limit soil organism populations. This reduces nutrient cycling and weakens soil structure. Trees growing in biologically inactive soils often rely more on stored energy and show reduced vigor. Supporting soil biology as an arborist. Arborists can support soil biology through management practices. Adding organic mulch, reducing disturbance, and improving soil conditions all support biological activity. Avoiding unnecessary chemical inputs also helps maintain beneficial organisms. The goal is to create conditions where soil organisms can thrive naturally. This episode connects directly to earlier soil topics. Texture and structure influence habitat for organisms. Pore space allows movement and oxygen. Organic matter fuels biological activity. Soil biology ties physical and chemical soil properties together. Let's recap the key points. Soil is a living system supported by a complex food web of organisms. These organisms decompose organic matter, cycle nutrients, improve soil structure, and support tree health. healthy soil biology is essential for long-term tree performance. In the next episode, we'll focus on how trees absorb water from the soil and how water moves through trees, connecting soil conditions to tree physiology. Thanks for listening to the Arborist Podcast. Let's keep building your arborist knowledge, one topic at a time.